Hey, listen, is affiliate marketing dead? The answer is no. It's actually thriving if you know the right affiliate program. I'm going to break down for you which one that is right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here. Question for you. Is affiliate marketing dead? If you're a beginner and you're looking to do affiliate marketing online, is it still profitable? Can it still be profitable? Does it still work? Should we just build an Amazon store instead? The answer is no. You shouldn't do an Amazon store. And yes, affiliate marketing does still work. It is not dead. Affiliate marketing is literally the cornerstone of online marketing. It is how most everyone gets their start online because it's easier. It's simpler to promote somebody else's product and earn a commission than it is to start your own business from scratch and do all the things that business owners have to do, right? But the question is, what affiliate program should you promote? Is there an affiliate program that's better than others? Is there one that can pay you more than others? And the answer is absolutely. The key to affiliate marketing and it not being dead in your life, but being thriving, is knowing what affiliate program to promote. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my top affiliate program this year and one that I've never seen. I call it a little unicorn every time I talk about it because it's unlike anything else. It allows you to earn high ticket affiliate commissions, not these baby $2 and $3 commissions, okay? I haven't had a single student earn $2, not one. It allows you to earn high ticket commissions. You never have to sell anything. There is no selling, no money changing hands for product. It's a free. You're promoting something that's free. And the greatest thing of all, you don't have to even use online marketing in order to generate commissions. You don't have to build websites and funnels and all of that stuff and run ads on Facebook and post on your social media. You don't have to do any of that. This is like a little unicorn, but it is a limited time only thing. It's a program that only exists for a small amount of time. So what I want to do is break it down for you and show you how you can do affiliate marketing. It doesn't have to be dead to you. It can be thriving, and it won't cost you a single penny to get started. So what I'm going to do is go to my computer now and show you exactly how it's done. All right, so we're here at my computer, and what I want to do is just talk to you about the best affiliate program. Why do I feel like this is the best affiliate program? Just so we can reiterate, there's no selling involved in this. There is no website needed, so you don't have to go build a website. There is no no traffic online, no social on the internet. Like, you don't have to use marketing, right? And so you probably think to yourself, like, what in the world, what even is this, right? Well, as you know, affiliate marketing in its core, so what affiliate marketing is, if you've never done it before, I mean, this is how most everybody gets started. Affiliate marketing is there's this business, right? And what does the business want? They want to make more money. What do they need? Well, they need more customers. So we'll call these people customers, right? So they need more customers. So what they do is they get people like you and me, right? And we become what we call affiliates. And we go out and we get that customer and we send that customer to the business. When the business makes a sale and makes money, they pay us a commission, right? I mean, this is how basic affiliate marketing works. This is how it's worked for the longest time that I can even remember. The problem with basic affiliate marketing, okay, and why it doesn't work as well anymore is it's expensive, right? Because most of the time to get these customers here, we have to run ads. And those ads cost a lot of money, right? You've probably heard a lot of people teach you, just put an ad on Facebook. Okay, that's really expensive. That's not cheap. That costs a lot of money. So how do we do something that doesn't cost money and doesn't require those ads? Well, there's a new program, okay, that's available. And I will say that it is limited. It is a very limited time. It's not going to last forever. But there's a new program. Let me explain what it's called. It's called the ERC Affiliate Program. Now, you might wonder to yourself, okay, why is this new and what does it do? So let's go back to the root of all that happened. We had COVID hit, right? And when COVID hit, the government put two programs in place to help businesses, the PPP and the ERC program. This is the one you've probably heard of because this was popular. The banks were helping everybody get these loans, right? And so what happened was, originally you could get either or. You could get the PPP or you could get the ERC credits. That was it, right? Now the government's come back and they've said, nope, you can have both. If you qualify, you can get both the PPP and the ERC. There are literally hundreds, I want you to hear me, hundreds of billions of dollars set aside in this ERC program that needs to go to small businesses, okay? So that's what it's for. It's to go to small businesses. But there's a problem, okay? What is the problem? There's two of them. One, the businesses, they don't know, okay? They don't know that this ERC program even exists. And the second problem is they don't know how to apply. Even if they do find out that the money is there, they don't know how to actually apply for it. There's a formula. It's very complicated. And unless you're like laser focused and that's what you do, it's very easy to mess it up, right? So that's when opportunity comes for you. So basically, there's a new company out, okay, and it's the ERC filing company. And basically what they do is they file with the IRS for small businesses, and they get the money, the ERC money, for the small business. Okay, so you've got the small business out here, and basically, whenever that the IRS gets that money, they send it over here to the business owner. Okay, so this ERC filing company is helping, all right, the small businesses get their money from the IRS, and they do this free of charge. All the filing and everything is free. So you're thinking, okay, well, where do I come in? How do I make money? Well, just like any other company, okay, this company has affiliates. They have affiliates just like you and just like me. They want you to go find the small business owners and send the small business owners to them. They will then do all the process to help them get that money from the IRS, okay? And they do it for free. And once the business qualifies for money and they have the money in their hands, let's just say that this business qualified for $1 million, okay? This company charges a 10 to 30% fee once the money comes in. So if this business gets $1 million, then there's going to be, let's just say, an average of $200,000 that's going to be sent to the filing company as the fee, okay? Now, there's contracts in place and all that good stuff to make sure that they actually get the money. But what's very clear for you to understand is the business owner never spends a penny until they're holding their check from the IRS in their hands. So we're not selling anything. There's no fee. There's no application fee. It's free. It's risk-free to the business owner to let this company see if they qualify and then file for the money for them. Now, how do you make money? Well, as the affiliate, right, as this person that sent the small business in, basically you earn 10% of the fee. So whenever they get their $200,000, they send you 10%, which would be $20,000, right? So the net of this is, all right, what ends up happening is the small business in this scenario gets $800,000. The ERC filing company ends up with $180,000, and you end up with $20,000. $20,000 for one simple referral, one simple business to say, hey, can I help you get some free money from the government, right? And it's a refund. It is not a loan, right? Now listen, we have a community of people doing this. I want to show you this real quick, okay? We have a community of people, 9,500 people that are in our community doing this right now. When I look at this, how is it that they're able to do it and understand it? It's because I gave them a course that teaches them how to do it, and I want to give you that same course. There's a link right below this video. If you click that link, you can have access to this course completely free. This entire course. There's modules in this course that walk you through this. Let me show you again. The course, okay, is broken down into different sessions, different modules. In fact, module 1 literally says, become an ERC affiliate. I show you how to apply to be an affiliate, right? And then I start talking to you and showing you different things. Like in session 2, we really break stuff down. You know, deal stages. What are the stages of the deals? How you make your lead tier list. How you can get one more lead every single day. Like it's all in here, right? Here's what's great about this. It's free. Nowhere in here are you charged money to become an affiliate. Click the link below. You can get access to the course for free. You can then become an affiliate for free. You can join our Facebook group with 9,500 more people for free. And then you can get on our weekly live trainings for free. Did you hear me say you had to pay for anything? I don't think so. Why? Oh, why? Of course, why? Because we make money when you make money. When you get a deal done and you get that commission, that ERC filing company, they pay us a commission too. And they simply say, hey, thank you, Anthony, for teaching people, sharing the opportunity with them, showing them how to do it, motivating them to do it, creating a course for them. We pay you a commission too. So I don't need to make any money selling you stuff. I don't need to make any money teaching you how to do this. I want it to be free. Free, free, free. I want you to leave me a comment and think. Say free, 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 free. I want it to be free. Why do I want it to be free? Because I want every single one of you to click that link below this video and do this. Because when you do it, you can earn big commissions. Let me explain. I'm giving you no earnings claims. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not promising you money. I'm going to go on and tell you that I promise you most people out of the 9,500 don't make any money because they don't do anything. But the ones that are doing it are having some really good success. Our students, at the time I filmed this video, have generated $55 million plus for small business owners in about 3 months. That's the money that this company has applied for from the IRS. They've done the qualifications and they've sent it off to the IRS and said, these small businesses qualify for $55 million. That means if that money all comes in, and remember, it's a chain. They got to pay the business from the IRS, then they got to pay the filing company, and then they pay you. But that means our students have a pending commission right now of over $1 million in 3 months, and it's free. It's literally free. Why are you not doing this? What is your excuse? If you're watching this video, you're watching because you decided you wanted to do something on the internet to make money. Now, I know you want to do something where you click a button, and then it just prints money, right? But that doesn't exist. But what hasn't existed, at least until now, in my 20 years of experience, is the opportunity to be able to do this for free. No paying for the course, no paying for a website, none of that. It's free. Don't have to run ads on the internet. It's free, 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 free. All you got to do is go talk to business owners. Now, if you happen to be overseas, and you're not in the United States, you're like, oh, can I do this? Absolutely. Only businesses in the United States qualify, but you don't have to be in the business to do it, or be in the United States to do it. We have a lady in Australia right now that's got 50 deals signed from Australia. How did she do it? I'll show you how it's done in this course. She actually teaches some of the modules in this course. All you got to do to get access to it is click the link below. So click the link below this video right this minute, get your free course, and once you get it, do me a favor, because there's going to be haters on here that tell me it's not free because they don't click the link. I want you to put, it really is free. Just write, it really is free in the comments for me, and then smash the like button if you appreciate a free training, a free course, and me teaching you about this opportunity completely free. Smash that like button for me right this minute. Click the link, get your course, and then leave me a comment and say it really is free. And I'll see you next time with another affiliate marketing training.